Hi everyone, it's Marcy, and I'm here with two Cara Brandon Creations Etsy shares. She's got two new digital kits out that are both absolutely fabulous, so let's jump right in. The first one is called Tickets, Get Your Digital Tickets, and it's full of tickets and ephemera. Here on the first page, we have some airline tickets. And here we've got all sorts of tickets. Some of them have been torn, as tickets very often are, in blue. And we've got, an identification check, parking checks. Just auto racing, just all sorts of different tickets here. Great for ephemera. These are in blue. And then here we have a postcard and says French Social Ballroom. So a little ticket there, a little earning statement here, and motor vehicle registration from 1955. So just fantastic little pieces to cut out and have to either collage with or just tuck as little ephemera pieces in your journals. Okay. Here we have Grand Spaghetti Supper, Holiday Shop, a couple of, photo slide frames, sold ticket, senior prom from 1955. So all sorts of fun stuff. Here we've got the more tickets. I think they are the same. No, they're not exactly the same. At the very least, they're cut or torn a little differently in a gray, and it's sort of a blue leaning gray. So very pretty. Here we've got them again in a pink. And here we have them in a purple. So, as you can see, just a huge amount. There are 10 pages in this kit. So just great to cut out and have in a little tub or bucket when you're journaling. And you can grab them out and use them however you wish. Here we've got some red and green. Not a deep green, and the pink is not a hugely deep red, so they will work very well. Here we have some tan color, a little bit of green in it. And here we have some teal colored. Leaning to blue there, leaning to blue there, and the rest of them are kind of leaning to the green. But very pretty. These would be great in a spring journal. So that's the first one. Then the second one that I've got, first of all, tickets currently, this ticket kit currently in Cara's shop is currently 50% off. So if you've not been over, run right over and grab one of these. I think those will be great. I see lots of fussy cutting in my future to get those ready to go. Then the second one is Cara's new journaling kit called Spring Up and Bloom. And here we've got a beautiful sort of a peachy pink background page with butterflies and dragonflies on it. And some leaves very faintly back there. Here we've got another background page with some text and tape and some very mixed media feeling with whites and yellows and sort of peachy pinks and some teal in there. So I love that page. Then we get into the main pages. So you can see we've got lots of peachy colors and the teal colors with some yellow. Here, this page is leaning more toward the pink, but it's got the teal in it and some greenery. Here we've got a what are those called? Viewmaster slide, butterfly, a dragonfly up here. Here we've got a very teal page with the Viewmaster reel and some roses and doily. Very pretty. I'm excited to work with this. This page is also very pretty. Down here it says spread your wings. And we've got the peachy pink along with some yellow and teal and some tulips and butterflies, a little ticket with a bow down here. Just very pretty. I love, here we've got more of a yellowish page, but it's not a bright yellow because you can see the butterflies are yellow. It's muted, almost ochre, sort of a yellow ochre type color, again with the teal. Here we've got a really neat collage page with some teal tags and some roses, some floral images, hotel page, book page, just real with the ferns, really pretty. You could do lots with that. Here we've got a page of floral images. Very pretty as well. Again, you could use it as a page, tear pieces out of it for collaging, whatever you wanted to do. Here we've got a peachy page with a frame and a rose, butterflies. Very pretty. This is a very peachy kind of page. Then we get into the ephemera. So we've got 3 large tags here. 3 large tags here. So all those colors that were used on the main pages have been brought back in to make some great tags. And then here we've got the same tags in smaller form. So you can use them big, small, use them both, or individually. And then we've got the first great ephemera page. You've got butterflies. I love these like book page butterflies. And a jar. I love that. I can't wait. I've been thinking about that and I don't know what I want to do with it yet. And then some book page type images here that you could turn into journaling cards along with flowers there. And then you've got another page of ephemera and you've got some wonderful labels. You've got the teal and the yellowish and the peachy pinkish. You've got a ticket here, a ticket here. This is absolutely beautiful. A bingo card, a couple of yellow butterflies, another flower, another sales slip, and then these little, what are those? Let's see if I can read that. Gold Bond Stamp Company. Some sort of little stamps. They almost look like tax stamps, but I don't think that's what they are. Anyway, so a whole row of little stamps there. So great kit. I can't wait to start playing with this. The whole mixed media page kind of has me dreaming. I don't know how I may want to incorporate that, but somehow. And this is called Spring Up and Bloom in Cara's Etsy shop. I will have her Etsy shop linked below. This kit is also currently 50% off. So if you've not been to Cara's shop or haven't been recently, go over, get yourself a couple of great kits, and have fun playing. Until next time, please be safe, stay healthy, happy crafting, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.